There's no downside for Calle to keep sounding that alarm in the coming weeks. The exact same positions, with a few words changed. That's the mentality. That's now the narrative. That's what they're pushing. Stay in there, Calle. Keep savaging Trump. Keep pulling a certain percentage of the Republicans away from Trump. Because we're playing for 2028 now. Because we think Trump's going to lose. We want him to lose. We want you to keep at it. Because he needs Haley's vote. This is in the Wall Street Journal editorial page and now the Washington Post editorial page. This is coming straight from Nikki Haley's mouth. Sent it in the box today. People are saying it on her behalf. An echo chamber Russia used to speak of. There it is. What do you think Rush wants? Nikki Haley or Donald Trump? Love Donald Trump. Love it. Wall Street Journal is the same page I used to trash Ted Cruz. And I want to say something to the Wall Street Journal editorial page and the people who write there. You have blood on your hands too. For 3 decades, you've pushed for open borders. For 3 decades, you've pushed for Wall Street and open borders. The 5-word amendment that you proposed in your editorial page to the Constitution. Thou shalt have open borders. This is why you really hate Trump. Because the corporates hate Trump. You guys have blood on your hands too. Because your wish has come true. Thou shalt have open borders. They're open. Are you going to have an editorial that says we apologize for our propaganda over decades, demanding open borders? When will that editorial come? Take responsibility for any of it? You got it in Biden. Probably another reason you got it in Trump. You gotta get over it. Early on, I was a Cruz supporter. Ted Cruz is fantastic. I worried that he might lose that race in Texas. Clarence Square. Clarence Square. He lost. He's become one of the biggest advocates of Donald Trump because of his policies. 90% of his policies. Which is more than most. You know why? He does listen. He does seek input. He does seek opinion. They're not trying to cut his throat, of course he won't listen. I did nothing. I give my opinion. My stepson worked in the DeSantis campaign. That's public. Who I also think is a great man, and I hope he is the president in 2028 or somebody like him. Certainly not Nikki Haley, who's demonstrated what she really believes. I've seen in Virginia, as an example, for the most part, all the usual Republicans who are losers. The developers, the corporatists, the lobbyists, like our friend Barbara Comstock, others. They're all rallying around Nikki Haley. In other words, the worst of the worst. The Republican Party doesn't understand the great threat that we face. Nikki Haley will not win the South. She didn't win her own state. It's funny how Garrity and Wall Street Journal don't write, how would Nikki Haley convince conservatives to vote for her? Where's that editorial? What must she do? What must she say? Apparently that's not her problem. That's not her problem. So we have this element within the media. Forget about the Democrat Party media, which is horrid. That element, like the Wall Street Journal editorial page, National Review, other places too. They keep telling Haley to stay in. She's the protest candidate. She's got a certain percentage of Republicans supporting her. Donald Trump has to figure out how to get them. But if he loses, Haley 2028. Haley the prophet. Got it? So they're urging her to stay in, do as much damage to Trump as possible. If Trump does lose, I hold, among others, the Wall Street Journal editorial page to account, the National Review to account, with some exceptions, and others of their ilk who just can't seem to get over Trump. I'll be right back.
Mark Lopin. Intuitive Surgical Operations Inc. is seeking a regulatory affairs specialist in Sunnyvale, California. Prepare and submit 510Ks FDA to obtain regulatory clearances for new products, new indications, and significant product changes in a timely manner. Telecommuting permitted. Position requires master's degree plus 2 years related experience. Salary $101,900 to $146,700 per year. Email resumes to hien.nguyen@intusurg.com. Must reference job title and job code RAS-PSC in subject line.
This is a special alert to all Americans who own a vehicle with less than 200,000 miles, with an auto warranty about to expire, or with no warranty coverage at all. Due to a decline in the economy, CarShield is announcing a low-cost, month-to-month vehicle protection plan that is now available to the public to save any driver out-of-pocket expenses on future auto repairs. Call now to find out how you can pay almost nothing for covered auto repairs. Yes, you heard that correctly. Pay almost nothing for covered auto repairs. An open phone line has been established for all drivers to call for a free quick quote. Call 800-630-9723 now. Drivers who are covered will not have to pay for covered repairs again. This protection plan is at an all-time low. Additionally, drivers who activate this vehicle protection today will also receive free roadside assistance, free towing, and car rental options at no additional cost. Call us for your free quick quote today. Call 800-466-0425 now. 800-466-0425. That's 800-466-0425. What do you have to lose? Call 800-466-0425. Again, 800-466-0425.
Hey guys, Matt Coker here with West Coast Men's Health. Most guys don't realize that their ED started in their 40s. Symptoms of erectile dysfunction can be slight and subtle, but by treating your symptoms at the onset, you can avoid severe ED in the future. Mild ED is easily reversed at our clinic using our acoustic wave technology. Most men have accepted that ED is a part of getting old, but that's far from the truth. Our acoustic wave therapy has helped thousands of men restore function, whether they're in their 40s or their 80s. West Coast Men's Health also treats chronic pain, including neuropathy, plantar fasciitis, Dupuytren's contracture, and even carpal tunnel. So if this sounds like you, give West Coast Men's Health a call today and see how we can help.
With clinics in San Mateo, Pleasanton, Walnut Creek, and Elk Grove, call West Coast Men's Health at 650-649-7944. That's 650-649-7944. 650-649-7944. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
They are our love bugs and companions. They are our pets, our family, and they make life better. When we face unexpected challenges, so do our pets. That's why we're on a mission to support people and their pets. Whether donating a bag of kibble, sharing an Instagram post of a lost cat, or welcoming a foster pet into your home, every bit of kindness counts. Visit petsandpeopletogether.org to learn how to be a helper in your community. Brought to you by Maddie's Fund, the Humane Society of the United States, and the Ad Council.
This is a special alert to all Americans who own a vehicle with less than 200,000 miles with an auto warranty about to expire or with no warranty coverage at all. Due to a decline in the economy, CarShield is announcing a low-cost, month-to-month vehicle protection plan that is now available to the public to save any driver out-of-pocket expenses on future auto repairs. Call now to find out how you can pay almost nothing for covered auto repairs. Yes, you heard that correctly. Pay almost nothing for covered auto repairs. An open phone line has been established for all drivers to call for a free quick quote. Call 800-898-6155 now. Drivers who are covered will not have to pay for covered repairs again. This protection plan is at an all-time low. Additionally, drivers who activate this vehicle protection today